Thousands of Americans are traveling to Mexico for bariatric surgery every year, often saving $10,000 to $15,000 compared to U.S. prices. I'm not here to tell you it's a terrible idea. I'm here to give you the full picture so you can make an informed decision. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tradina, a registered dietitian nutritionist and a developmental psychologist. Today's topic is one of the most asked about in our community, bariatric surgery in Mexico, and I'm going to give you the kind of answer you actually need, not the sanitized, just go to a U.S. center response that ignores the real financial barriers people face. Let's start with why this is so common. Bariatric surgery in the United States without insurance coverage runs anywhere from $15,000 to $30,000 or more depending on the procedure. In Mexico, at established centers, the same procedure often runs $5,000 to $10,000, sometimes including travel, hotel, and pre-op testing. For people who don't qualify for insurance coverage or whose plan doesn't cover bariatric procedures, that gap is enormous. So, what are the actual risks? Let me be specific because vague warnings don't help you make a real decision. Risk number one is variable quality across centers. Mexico has both excellent internationally accredited bariatric surgery centers and facilities that are much less rigorous. The key is accreditation. Look for centers in Mexico accredited by the Joint Commission International or that have relationships with U.S.-based oversight organizations. The American Society for Metabolic and Bariatric Surgery has guidance on evaluating international centers. Risk number two is continuity of care. This is the one that concerns me the most as a dietitian. Bariatric surgery requires ongoing follow-up, which includes labs, nutrition support, and potential complication management. When you have surgery in another country and fly home a few days later, that follow-up relationship is harder to maintain. Some U.S. providers are reluctant to take on post-op patients from international surgery. You need to have a plan for your aftercare before you board that plane. Risk number three is handling complications. If something goes wrong post-operatively and you're back in the U.S., your care will be managed by providers who didn't do your surgery and may not have your full record. This is a real consideration. What I recommend if you're seriously considering this path, research extensively. Look for first-person accounts from people 2 to 5 years post-op, not just people in the honeymoon phase. Verify accreditation. Have a U.S.-based follow-up provider lined up before you go. Make sure you understand exactly what is and isn't included in your package. And work with a dietitian like me who specializes in bariatric care both before and after your procedure, wherever you have it. This is a decision worth taking seriously. The cost savings are real, but so are the risks. The real answer depends on your specific situation, and you deserve complete information to make it. Before I go, if you want ongoing support from a community that actually gets it, come join my free Facebook group called Bariatric and GLP-1 Support by Real Talk Nutrition. The link is in the description. We talk about all of this, the real stuff without judgment. And if you're ready to go even deeper, I have a monthly group coaching membership called the Real Talk Continuum. It's where we do the real work together, the nutrition, mindset, the whole picture. Details for the monthly group coaching are in the description below as well. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an episode. I post new content regularly and I don't want you to miss anything. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.